Dominance isn't boring. We're talking about Jett Lawrence here and his undefeated season and how boring the 450 class has been this year. And I would completely disagree with that 100%. So, at least in my eyes, I like watching motocross because of the passes and the battles and the line choices. You can't see them all. TV doesn't let you see them all. They're not showing me the passes and the line choices and the battles of the guys in 16th place. Yeah, I'd love to watch those too, but let's be honest. Jett's the fastest guy out there. The guy in first is generally the fastest guy out there. And that's the guy they're going to show on TV most of the time. That's the guy they're going to talk about. And when the guy they're talking about and the guy they're showing on television isn't ever getting past or even making passes because he grabs a hole shot, yes, that is more boring than otherwise. Are you with me?